My mission is to show people that they are their greatest superpower. So everyone has access to two things in life. They have their toolbox of storytelling, which is the stories you have and sharing those stories. And the second thing is your authenticity, so who you are as an individual. And I always tell people, you are your best version of yourself when you are being yourself, not when you're trying to be somebody else. So that's really the message today is start sharing your stories and being more yourself, because that will give you your best chance at winning in whatever you think winning is. I think the first thing you gotta do is just take your front foot and put it forward a little bit. And there's this human concept called momentum. And the force of momentum is powerful. And what I mean by that is one little thing can lead into another little thing, which then lead into another little thing. And when you compound that, it's actually a huge thing. So the force of momentum is one of the human greatest assets. And you can either go positive momentum or you can go negative momentum. You don't want to do the negative momentum because it's a force and it goes quick. So I would say the first thing you do is do basics, little things to share your story. If you want to share your story today about how you went to a conference and you met a really fascinating individual, talk about that. That's sharing. And you will slowly start to build a muscle that will make you more confident to share your story. And the second thing is block out the noise. You need to put horse blinders on. You need to focus on what makes you great, what makes your customer experience great, what makes your business great, and not all the action and all the blabber around you. People are gonna judge you, people are gonna make fun of you, companies are gonna compete with you. The only thing you have is what you can control. And the only thing you can control is your customer experience, the way you communicate with people, the story you have, and your authenticity. So if you just focus on that and you block out everything else, I think you'll start to create that positive momentum.